Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stunning modern fashion choices of the fabulous Sini Shetty. From street style to red carpet glamour, Sini never fails to impress. Let's get into it. The beauty often opts for fusion wear that combines the elegance of traditional Indian attire with modern cuts and styles. She might be seen wearing a lehenga paired with a crop top or a sari draped in an unconventional manner. This fusion approach allows her to maintain cultural roots while embracing modern aesthetics. Shetty has shown a keen interest in sustainable fashion. She often chooses outfits made from eco-friendly fabrics and supports designers who prioritize sustainability. This choice not only reflects her awareness of environmental issues but also sets a trend for her followers. Despite her love for bold fashion, Shetty also appreciates the beauty of minimalist chic. She has been seen wearing monochromatic outfits and understated pieces that emphasize clean lines and simplicity. This minimalist approach often highlights her natural beauty and poise. Accessories play a crucial role in her fashion repertoire. She often completes her looks with statement pieces such as oversized earrings, chunky necklaces, or bold handbags. These accessories add a distinctive flair to her outfits and demonstrate her attention to detail. Reflecting a modern lifestyle, Shetty also embraces athleisure, effortlessly blending comfort with style. She can often be seen in stylish activewear, including high-quality leggings, sports bras, and trendy sneakers, making athleisure a significant part of her everyday wardrobe. The model has a penchant for high-end fashion brands and designers. She frequently appears in outfits from luxury labels, showcasing the latest in haute couture. Her red carpet appearances often feature gowns from internationally renowned designers, paired with exquisite jewelry. The beauty is also known for supporting and reviving traditional Indian craftsmanship. She often wears outfits that feature hand-embroidered details, traditional weaves, and artisanal techniques. By doing so, she helps keep these cultural art forms alive and brings them to a global audience. In professional settings, the actress embraces power dressing. She opts for tailored suits, structured blazers, and sophisticated dresses that convey confidence and authority. Her power dressing choices are both fashionable and functional, making her a role model for many young professionals. The model embraces power dressing. She opts for tailored suits, structured blazers, and sophisticated dresses that convey confidence and authority. Her power dressing choices are both fashionable and functional, making her a role model for many young professionals. Shetty often wears bespoke pieces tailored specifically to her style and preferences. These custom designs ensure she always has a unique and personalized look. The actress often pushes the boundaries with experimental silhouettes. From asymmetrical hemlines to exaggerated shoulders and voluminous skirts, she is not afraid to step out of her comfort zone. This willingness to experiment showcases her as a forward-thinking fashionista. Combining different textures is another hallmark of her style. She might pair a silk blouse with a leather skirt or a velvet dress with metallic accessories. This mix-and-match approach adds depth and intrigue to her outfits, making each look unique and dynamic. As a modern fashion icon, Sini Shetty leverages digital platforms to influence trends. She often shares her looks on social media, providing inspiration and fashion tips to her followers. Her digital presence ensures she stays connected with a global audience, setting trends in real time. Embracing the gender-neutral fashion trend, the model often incorporates unisex pieces into her wardrobe. This includes oversized shirts, blazers, and trousers that defy traditional gender norms. Her choices in this domain reflect a progressive attitude towards fashion and gender identity. The beauty has a knack for reviving retro styles with a modern twist. She might incorporate vintage prints, high-waisted pants, or classic accessories like cat eye sunglasses into her looks. This blend of old and new adds a nostalgic yet contemporary feel to her fashion. Bohemian influences are evident in her style, especially in her casual and vacation wear. Flowy dresses, fringed accessories, and earthy tones are staples in her boho chic wardrobe. These elements highlight her free-spirited nature and love for eclectic styles. While she loves bold colors, the model also masters the art of monochrome dressing. She often dons single-color outfits that exude sophistication and elegance. This approach not only simplifies her style but also emphasizes her silhouette and accessories. Her fashion choices frequently include cultural crossovers, where she blends elements from various cultures into her outfits. For instance, she might pair a Japanese kimono with Indian jewelry or wear African prints with Western silhouettes. These cross-cultural combinations showcase her global fashion sensibility. Her interest in fashion tech highlights her innovative mindset and futuristic approach to style. Layering is a significant part of her style, especially in cooler seasons. She expertly layers garments, such as pairing turtlenecks under slip dresses or combining blazers with scarves and hats. Her layering techniques add dimension and functionality to her looks. Personalized fashion statements are another notable aspect of her wardrobe. The actress often wears customized pieces that feature her initials, bespoke prints, or tailored fits. These personal touches make her outfits uniquely hers and resonate with her identity. Footwear plays a crucial role in her ensembles. From bold, printed boots to elegant stilettos and trendy sneakers, she ensures her shoes make a statement. Her footwear choices often complement her outfits, adding an extra layer of style and personality. Versatility is key in Shetty's fashion choices. Her modern fashion choices are a masterclass in eclectic elegance and innovative styling. She seamlessly blends traditional Indian elements with contemporary trends, creating a unique sartorial narrative that resonates with a wide audience. Her wardrobe is a vibrant mix of fusion wear, where lehengas meet crop tops and saris are draped in avant-garde styles, reflecting her cultural roots while embracing modernity. Sustainability is a cornerstone of her fashion ethos, as she often opts for eco-friendly fabrics and supports designers who prioritize ethical practices, making a statement about environmental consciousness. Bold colors and intricate patterns are a mainstay in her collection, showcasing her fearless approach to fashion. She balances this with minimalist chic outfits that highlight clean lines and simplicity, proving her versatility. Statement accessories, from oversized earrings to chunky necklaces, are meticulously chosen to add flair to her ensembles. The actress also champions athleisure, incorporating stylish activewear into her daily look, reflecting a modern, active lifestyle. High-end fashion is another aspect of her repertoire, with red carpet appearances in luxury designer gowns paired with exquisite jewelry. She frequently supports traditional Indian craftsmanship, wearing outfits that feature hand-embroidered details and artisanal techniques, thus promoting cultural heritage. Power dressing with tailored suits and structured blazers is a testament to her professional elegance, while custom-designed pieces ensure her wardrobe remains unique and personalized. Experimental silhouettes, a mix of textures, and gender-neutral fashion choices further define her as a forward-thinking fashionista. She often revives retro styles with a modern twist, and her bohemian influences add a carefree, eclectic vibe to her casual wear. Monochrome mastery and cultural crossovers highlight her sophisticated and global fashion sensibility. Her attention to detail, from fine tailoring to intricate embellishments, ensures each outfit is polished and refined. Embracing technology, she explores tech-infused garments, and her expert layering techniques add dimension to her looks. Personalized statements and versatile day-to-night outfits showcase her practicality and individuality, while eco-friendly accessories underscore her commitment to sustainability. Overall, Seeni Shetty's fashion choices are a testament to her dynamic style, combining elegance, innovation, and a deep respect for tradition. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.